Hey, what's up, y'all? Today, I will be filling this spot on my Honda VTX. I'm going to put in the stereo. The cutout in this fairing is too big for a single DIN radio and too small for a double DIN radio. So I'm going to have to trim this fairing in order to make my single DIN radio fit along with an adapter. So let's get started. I'm going to use my Dremel tool to enlarge the space for the radio. I have to cut it down here, up here, up here, across this line, and across this line to make it a double DIN size opening. All right, let me begin. Okay, I have the hole cut out, so now I just have to glass up the sides where the tape is. I'll have a perfect double DIN opening. I removed the outer fairing. Okay, now it's time to glass up the opening. Okay, I have this glassed up now from the back. While I'm waiting for this to set, I'm going to start laying out the wiring. Right, I have most of the wiring done. I have the speaker wires ran from the rear bags to the front. I have the power and ground wires ran also. I had to drill a hole in the fender and in the bag and put a rubber grommet in between to push the speaker wires to the back. Probably can see it better on this side. Okay, I ran the wire into the bag and I put on connectors so I can disconnect them with no problem if I want to remove the bag for any reason. I have to trim it out a little bit more and I'll be able to have a nice perfect fit for this stereo. Alright, got it pretty much perfectly trimmed out. Now we just need a little filler to fill in the cracks, and then I'll sand it down, prime it up, and paint it. Another view from the back, or rather the inside, the inner fairing. Alright, now I have it all body filled in. Time for a little sanding. Alright, it's all smoothed out. Now to throw some primer on it. Alright, all painted up. Now I'm ready to put the radio in. This is the radio I'm installing. It's a Boss Marine radio. Fully marine, fully marinized. I guess that's how you pronounce it. So if water hits it, nothing will happen. But it's a single DIN radio, and I have a double DIN opening now. But I'll make it work. And if anybody wants to know, this is the mounting kit that I used. I didn't really need it, but this helped me mount it securely in the fairing. It's a Metra radio installation dash kit, and it's for General Motors. You see, 1990 to 2012. It made the installation a little easier. Have the wiring connections ready, just ready to plug into the radio. Alright, here it is installed. And it's working. Alright, this is the inside of my interference. It's not that many wires. I don't have an amplifier hooked up. It's just playing off the built-in amp that's in the radio. And maybe I will eventually put another amp, and I'll maybe put it in the bags, or who knows, maybe put it up here in the front. And I might even change the radio down the line. It all depends if I even keep this VTX for that long. But this is it. It's all hooked up and it sounds pretty good. Right now I'm gonna put the fairing back on, and then I'll play it and let you guys hear how it sounds. Alright, so that's my video for today, y'all. Got this radio hooked up finally in this bike. My next step, well, my next project I gotta work on again is my Sportster, and I have to put some progressive front suspension in it. And after that, then I'll finish up on this road glide here. Got a lot of things going on, but that's what happens when you rebuild, recycle, and restore a bunch of different vehicles. And that's what I do. So until next time, I'm out.